Good morning, everyone, and trust you all doing great. Hope you had a wonderful night. So this morning, this morning we'll be doing our London session analysis. Going into the London session and New York session for today. So we'll see if we'll be able to get a good setup for our trades today. It's quite unfortunate that yesterday, our setup yesterday didn't play out the way we wanted. Our setup yesterday didn't play out the way we wanted. But that's fine. We didn't lose any money. That's the most important thing. So today is Tuesday, 13th February 2024. So let's see what we're going to get from the price. This is dollar index from the daily time frame. Remember I told you guys I'm expecting price on Sunday. I told you guys I'm expecting price to come down to this weekly gap, which actually happened and closed above. So let's see if we'll be able to get a continuation. Price is take out this previous week high, resting above here. So let's go down to the 4-hour time frame. Let's see if we get a continuation. There's nothing really interesting in 4 hours. There's nothing really interesting for us. This take out these lows here. So going down to the 1 hour or 2 hours, let's see. I'm looking for somewhere we'll get something like internal liquidity. Okay, I've seen one. Now this gray box here is my breakup block. This is my breakup block. So let's see how price reacted to this breakup block from the 5 minutes before I come back to the 1 hour. So this is it. And I was expecting this same thing to happen on Euro USD, but Euro USD played a gap before the breaker. That's why we didn't take the trade yesterday. Played a gap before this breaker, right? So let's go back to 1 hour to look for a continuation, to join the up movement. And I can see this low here. This is a good one for us. This low here is Asian low. This is a nice one. So price might likely want to come and take out this low to continue the up movement. All right, but I can't say for sure. Let's go back to the 1 hour time frame and see what we're going to get from the 1 hour time frame, because I can see a gap from the 1 hour time frame. Okay, good. Okay, good. So price might want to play this BC here, this gap here. So that 5 minutes low is actually the open of this gap, the open of this 1 hour BC. So we might see price reject from this zone, because looking at what happened here, no external liquidity was taken out, no external range liquidity was taken out. ERL simply means external range liquidity. So no external range liquidity was taken out above here. This liquidity is still here. So price is likely to play the internal range liquidity, which is our gap. Price likely to play the internal range liquidity, IR, IRL, internal range liquidity. All right. So this is our internal range liquidity. This gap here, this 1 hour gap, that's our internal range liquidity because no external was taken. And I always tell you, people, price moves from one liquidity level to another liquidity level. Price moves from external range to internal range, or from internal range to external range. Okay. So this 1 hour, BC, this 1 hour BC might want to hold price of. So I'll be looking for something like this to continue the up movement until we take out this previous week high here. Until we take out this previous week high. Okay. Now see how we got this move. Price reacted off the weekly fair value gap, right? Coming back to the 5 minutes, gave us this breaker here. Give us this breaker block, the block that caused this liquidity grab. That's our breaker block, right? And secondly, we have an SMT here. We have an SMT here, okay? We have an SMT here. We have this breaker, help push price, but unfortunately, this push didn't take out this external range liquidity, right? So price created an internal range, which is this 1 hour BC or 1 hour fair value gap, right? Which is this. Price now returning to our 1 hour fair value gap, right? So like I have a strong feeling that this gap is going to hold. This gap is going to hold because there is another inversion here. So I have a strong feeling that this is going to hold price. And this inversion, this candle, this black candle here is a CB, was meant to hold off price to continue the down movement, but instead that didn't happen. We saw this aggressive move to the upside, closing above this candle, and this black one failed to retest. So this inversion is still open, and this BC here is still open as well. So I have every confidence that this zone here is going to hold price. Is going to hold off price, right? To continue the up movement until we take out this liquidity, take out this one too. Take out this one too, until we finally take out the buy stop liquidity resting above here, which is our previous week high. All right, so let's go over to Euro USD. Yeah, any question? Any question? Can you guys hear me?
Yes, we can hear you.
Yes, we can hear you.
All right, all right. So you guys don't have any question. I should continue with Euro USD, right?
Yes, for me.
All right. Okay, let's go back to Euro USD. I'm starting from the So this is Euro USD on daily time frame, right? So on Sunday when we are doing our weekly analysis, I made mention that I'm expecting price to react off this weekly gap here, which actually happened. Okay, to react off from this weekly gap, helping push price down to take out this previous week low. Now remember, DXY is about to take out the previous week high, while Euro US is about to take off the previous week low. So let's see for us how price is reacting from for us, or still the same thing that is happening in DXY. So moving over to 1 hour, right? Moving over to 1 hour. Now I was expecting price to play this breakout block here. I was expecting price to play this breakout block here, but that didn't happen. But that didn't happen. Instead, price played, I think this is 30 minutes gap, or let's see, or 15 minutes gap. Let's see. That was yesterday when we are doing the beginners class that I saw the move. Let's see the gap price played. Okay. Price played this 15 minutes gap here, right? So going back to the 1 hour, okay. So going back to the 1 hour, just like the dollar index, Euro USD failed to take out this external range here. Euro USD failed to take out this external range. Failed to take out this external range liquidity. So where is our next draw on liquidity? Our next draw on liquidity will be this 1 hour CB here. This 1 hour CB, which price is currently inside, right? So, and I would like to see this, I'd like to see this CB, hold price well to continue down movement and to take out this buy stop, sell stop liquidity here. This one too. This one too, before eventually taking out this previous week low, sorry. So the reason why I'm strongly believing that this gap is going to help hold price is this BC here. On our CB. So I have a strong confidence that that zone is going to help hold price. Reason being that I can see a gap there. I can see an inversion there. An inversion and a CB, which is a great one. It's still the same thing that is happening in DXY, dollar index, still happening here. I think price is already rejecting up. So after this explanation, we'll go down to the 5 minutes to get a confirmation from the 5 minutes. So this inversion here is a great one too. I'm strongly believing that these two will hold off price. So let's see what's happening in 5 minutes because I can see a rejection here. Let's see if we'll be able to get a confirmation from the 5 minutes. Okay. Let's check 3 minutes. Because all right. So from 3 minutes, I want this candle to close. I want this candle to close here. So we know that we have a structure shift here. This candle is going to close in the next, what's the time? In the next 1 minute. This candle is going to close in the next 1 minute. So let's get ready because I'll be setting my pending order when this candle closes. All right. Candle is going to close in the next 40 seconds. Look at how Euro USD is dumping. Ooh. You guys are seeing this thing with me. Okay, finally get the clues. Oh man, this is a very large one. Let's check 1 minute. Okay, here I will have to make use of OTE here. I have to make use of OTE here. And this is still dumping. Okay. All right. So using the OTE, I have to measure from the swing high to swing low to know where you're going to enter from. This is our OTE from the 1 minute, right? We've seen this structure shift here. We've seen this structure shift. And looking at the 1 minute, what am I seeing from the OTE? I can see a gap from the OTE, which is here. So I'm deleting this. Now I will have my entry at this zone. I'd like price to come back to this place. So we are risking 25 pips. We are risking 25 pips for 50 pips. That is 1 2. All right. So I'm setting my limit now, my sell limit. So my entry price is 1.0775. 1.07753. Then my stop loss, this is my stop loss. My stop loss is 0.08003. So I just put in my pending orders. I have to place the limit now. I've placed the limit. So I'll just have to chill and see how price is going to react from that place. Ooh. Are you guys seeing this? Wow. Okay. I think we are rejecting off from it again. So I still want to open another Set another pending order. 7753. My stop loss is 08003. All right. So guys, let's see how this is going to play out. Price is about to hit our entry. Price is about to hit our entry. Let's see how it's going to play out. Okay. Now I'm risking $500 for a target of $1,000. So, all right, let's see if price is going to tag us in. Let's see if price is going to tag us in. Just a little move. Let's see what happened. I just want this candle. I just want this candle. Okay, yeah, we are in. We are in. We are in, guys. So let's see. Let's see how it goes. Let's see how Euro USD is going to play out today. Let's see how Euro USD is going to play out today. We already tagged in. If you're in the trade, no problem. Just risk what you can afford to lose. All right. Risk what you can afford to lose. So how did I get this set up here? You want to take the trade, you would have done that since. Shade, you would have done that since. You were here when I was saying I'm placing my pending order. You'd have done that. Okay, Shade, look at what you're going to do. If price should come back to this our entry, you can take. Ooh, if price should come back to this our entry, you can open your position. But once price is here, I don't think it's a nice place for you to open your position. Just wait. If price should come back to this our entry, you do that. Okay. So let's see how Euro US is going. Oh, wow. So this card is going to close in the next how many minutes? In the next 13 seconds. No, no, you would have set your limit when I was telling you guys to do so. You would have set your limit when I was telling you guys to do so. You would have done that. The price how many pips from our entry? Let me check. Price is 2 pips. Okay, yeah, 1.9 pips from our entry. Just wait a bit. If price should come back to this our entry zone, you can open your position. All right. So guys, let's see how this is going to play out. This Euro USD. But before we go, I would like to check dollar index if we are on the same page with dollar index. If you're on the same page with dollar index, okay, unfortunately, dollar index didn't play this before reversing, but Euro USD did. Yeah, Euro USD did. Euro USD did. So the CB and the inversion, I'm hoping they are going to hold price off. I'm hoping they are going to hold price. Yeah. So if you have any question, you can always reach out to me on WhatsApp. Okay. I'm always here to make sure that we all grow accordingly. That is my main goal. All right. So if you're in Abuja, I want to see you at the office today around 11 a.m. for the physical class and 7 p.m. for our online class, guys. So I wish us all a wonderful day filled with peeps, filled with blues. Blues, that's what I want to be seeing. Blues. So do we have any news today? Ooh, I think the reason for that impulsive movement is because of this claimant count, this GBP news. I think that's, well, let's see how it goes. Then around 2:30, we have core CPI. So trade carefully, guys. All right, trade carefully and wish us all a profitable day. I wish us all a profitable day filled with blues. So see you guys around 11 a.m. this morning at our office. All right. Bye and do have a lovely day. You're welcome. Welcome. Bye.